Okay, here it is, the long-awaited, infamous refrigerator. Here is the freezer. And then it has the sliding shelf. We don't have anything yet because we don't have any food. And here is our deli section. Temperature control. So it tells you what you can put in there. And it has a divider to separate stuff like that. Ice maker, water, French doors. That's our ice maker. And as you can see, I already started putting stuff in here, which is kind of cool. And close the doors. And easy access, so we don't have to open everything up. And that's it. And it's that big. And as you can see, it didn't go in that space right there. So it was too big, it got wedged in, and it got stuck. So then we had to literally pry it out. But this is our awesome new refrigerator.